Hey y'all, I think I say this in every video, but I just got home, so let's do a little SHEIN unboxing. I've been at my sister's for a week, and I'm not even gonna lie, one of these packages came the day before I left, and I literally instantly put it in my bag. So, first up is this leather jacket. I'm gonna do a try-on haul and like put some outfits together, but I'm obsessed with it. I literally had been wearing it every day. It's so cute. Like, obsessed with it. Then this came on the same day, but like I didn't pack these, but I'm so excited to show you. I literally just got home. My dog is like freaking out right now, so sorry if you hear her. She's having the time of her life right now playing. But look at these. They're so cute. I am a size 8 usually, and I believe that is what I got. I got a US size 8, but they are a size 39 as well. But like, how gorgeous are these? Okay, the rest of them are in the bag, so I don't know what's what, so we're just gonna go for it. Hold on. Why is she sitting like this? Hi, honey. What are you doing? Just the smallest tail wag. Why are you backwards? Okay, and this is a size 1XL. That is the size I usually buy on SHEIN, is either an XL or a 1XL. Everybody needs it. A plain black tee, but this one is an off the shoulder one. It is long sleeves, very basic, cute. I have a plain black one that's like a crop top, but I wanted something a little longer. This is a little longer, it's still kind of cropped, but it's also off the shoulder, so it gives a little bit of something to the look. Okay, this is also a 1XL. Most of these are probably black because that's like the only color I usually wear. Today I went a little crazy and put on a purple shirt. It's a skirt. I'm very excited to see. The thing is, I have to get bigger sizes for bottoms, definitely, because my ass is too big to wear anything. So I'm really hoping it's a good length and my ass isn't out. But look how cute it is. This is another 1XL. I think all these are 1XL. So. Oh, okay. So like I keep seeing at Target especially, and like Aerie and all that stuff, there's these cute like little workout sets that are like a little dress, and it's kind of like what this reminded me of, because I believe, if I'm correct, there's shorts underneath and the shorts have a little pocket, and I've like been wanting one, but every time I see one it is not gonna fit me. So I'm really hoping this one does. It's just black, cute little dress, like adorable. This one I went a little out of my comfort zone with, but I'm so excited. My sister and I have been really into like cheetah print looking things lately, so when I saw this I was like, I gotta try it, because I don't know about y'all, but I love a long skirt because my butt's too big. So I was like, yeah, absolutely. There's like a little slit. It's so freaking cute. This one is a double XL. I could have fit the extra large, but I kind of wanted it to be big, so I read the reviews and sized up. I'm a star girly recently, so I'm very excited about this, even though the weather has now changed from being 30s to 70s within like a day span. It was literally like 30 something yesterday, and today it's 72. So we'll see how often I wear this sweater, but this with like a little black skirt, so good. Okay. I forgot about these, y'all. I hope these fit. The other shoes do fit. I tried them on, but how cute, and like look at the little. I know this doesn't match the attire that I'm wearing right now, but like this with like a pair of leggings, like tights and a skirt and a dress, it will be so cute. They're adorable, and they give me a little bit of something. They look like they would fit. These are a CN 40. I believe I measured like my foot whenever I ordered these shoes, because I was like not just gonna guess. So definitely measure your feet if you're getting a pair of shoes. I feel like that should be known, but like it's not. Okay, and then I have this shirt. I believe it's a shirt. This is another 1XL. I love these type of shirts. It's off the shoulder, but it goes around the neck. I'm gonna try and show you both at the same time. Very simple, very cute. And then there's two more. This one is also a 1XL, which is so pretty. This with those shoes I just showed you. How freaking cute is this skirt? Like, look at that pattern. Again, I love a long skirt, which is crazy even though I'm so short, but I like a long skirt because my ass is out all the time. Oh my god, look, y'all, they sent me some nails. Those are so cute. And then, this is very similar to the skirt I just showed you, which I guess I shows you that it's my style. But this is a cute dress. How adorable is this? Like, I'm obsessed. I'm totally going to like actually get myself ready for the day and do more with myself and do a try on haul for y'all because they're so cute. But yeah, I love you, SHEIN. I absolutely love their clothing items, especially as a curvy girl. Shopping in person is something I literally cry over. So once I found out like what sizes I was with everything and I was able to measure myself at home, like I'm so happy that I can order stuff online. Because ordering online is horrible, but trying on in person just makes me cry. So if y'all are a little bit of a curvy woman, the SHEIN curve section is so good. I have been ordering from them and now they're sending me stuff, so it's like crazy. But I'm gonna open these nails and show y'all because they're more than just like the one design. I think I'm gonna put these on today. Look how cute those are. Anything that's a spiral gives me Coraline vibes. But yeah, those are so cute. Are the kids getting home from school? Can you believe these children come home from school 5 days a week? But yeah, again, thank you, love you.